Okay guys, seriously, this new tool, the TikTok Symphony Assistant, is seriously incredible. It's literally the chat GTP of TikTok. And it's so much better than chat GTP. I'm not even kidding you. Like, it seriously works so well for me with creating TikTok content, TikTok ideas, TikTok scripts. It will literally give you an exact monologue what to do on TikTok. And it's so helpful. Basically, it's so much better than ChatGPT because it's taking the data on your TikTok and like what is working well with your content. It takes that data and you're asking it questions and seriously, it's been the best tool for me and my clients. But yeah, it's seriously been the best tool for me, and it pulls the data exactly from your account. If you need help with this tool, text me at 646-249-3561 and I'll help you out with that as well. But basically, what you want to do is just ask it as many questions as you're needing. Get all the use out of it. Ask it all these questions. Make sure that you are utilizing it. As much as I love TikTok sounds and I love using them, and trying to get different leads, trying to create that community around my account, trying different things never hurts. Try different things. It never hurts you. Just try. Post that content. Post it. Try these different tactics all the time, and you will see growth on your account. I'm telling you right now, you will see growth on your account. But if you do need help with this, I've helped so many people with the Symphony Assistant. I've helped so many clients with this as well. And they seriously love it. And basically, what is so good about Rsquare Media with us, we genuinely care about trying to help our clients do good with their brand, grow their brand, get leads, get sales, get whatever they are needing, because we do that free consultation where we will literally show you basically a full-on social media audit. Just take a look at your social, see what's going on. And then the ball is in your court, whether you want to move forward with us, continue with that free 30-day trial with Rsquare Media. But yeah, we will never pressure you into anything. That is why, seriously, we take these tools and we use it to your exact situation and your social media content. We will always do personalized content creation. We will always do personalized brand development. We will never give you something that does not directly affect your personal account. And that is seriously what makes Rsquare Media so great. We are literally the best kept secret in the nation because of this reason. And, that's just my favorite line. I literally love that line because seriously, Rsquare Media is the best kept secret in the nation. Not just the nation, the whole global. We are a global company. We help everyone. But yeah, so just some tips, and thought I would share some of that with you if that helps you, and text me as well if you are needing help with this, because I know it can be super tricky to figure out on your own, and we are experts, so our whole team of experts will help you out immediately today with all of this. So text me at 646-249-3561, and yeah, let's get working together today. It'll be so great. I'm so excited.